NBA Finals appearances. He won the MVP each trip there. Others will say has to be Bill Russell. The man won 11 NBA championships. Some others will say get real. It's LeBron James. But for James, it may be less about the numbers and more about the science, as we learned in this sports science lesson brought to us by New Jockey Sport.
When we talk about LeBron James, MVP could stand for most versatile player. Here's why he can excel at every position on the court. First, quickness. The average player can cover the length of the court with 13 strides. LeBron can do it with just 9, and we clocked him at over 20 miles per hour. That's as fast as NBA speedster Chris Paul. When passing, LeBron can get off a 40-mile-an-hour dart in under 0.2 of a second. That's twice as fast as the average NFL quarterback releases a pass. This means from 35 feet away, or nearly 12 yards, LeBron can hit his man faster than Tom Brady can hit his target from the same distance. Next, technique. LeBron typically releases a shot at more than 9 feet off the ground. That's higher than a stop sign. If a 6'9" defender is only 3 feet away, he can't even get a hand within a foot of the ball. This virtually uncontestable shot is one reason LeBron's catch-and-shoot field goal percentage this season is actually better than his teammate, one of the greatest pure shooters of all time, Ray Allen. And finally, range. The average NBA center is 6'10", with a vertical leap of about 32 inches, creating a range of over 3,600 cubic feet. LeBron is 2 inches shorter, but his estimated 40-plus inch max vert actually gives him a range more than 12% greater than the average center. This helps LeBron snag more than 13% of all available rebounds. That's an efficiency rating in a class with a center who's 5 inches taller. This year's Defensive Player of the Year, Marc Gasol. In addition to all the offensive skills that LeBron James embodies, he's just as good on D. As a single isolation defender on the perimeter, LeBron has allowed less than 0.9 of a point per possession. That's as good as defensive specialist Tony Allen. For ESPN Sports Science, I'm John Burns.